I have my camping chair here. Now this was gifted to me so I could show you all the features, and it does have quite a few. Now it does come with a storage bag right away. This is one of the features. So that way you can go ahead and transport this, whether it's to a football game, soccer game, which I like to do. Of course, you can always take it camping too. You can see here right away, it does have a footrest. It's all mesh. I do like that it does come with a pillow here. Now it is held by Velcro, so it's easy to go ahead and put on or take off. And I'll get to this in a moment, but I love this footrest here because it is held on there by a zipper here. So it's real easy to go ahead and remove. One thing that's great about this is that there's so many compartments. So we've got a place right here for your drink. We've got another mesh bag here on this right side to go ahead and store things. And then our armrest here. Now, if you'll notice, this right here, it is adjustable. And that's because this does have 4 different positions. We've got 3 right here, and this is our 4th. We've got a button here that allows us to go ahead and adjust this, whether we want it to be more straight up and down, or we can actually just go ahead and just recline all this back. It's easy with just a click of a button. And as you're doing this, your armrests are going to change a little bit, and so that's why it allows you to go ahead and adjust your armrest here. So right now I have it in the recline position, and I mean, this is very, very comfortable. And that's why I can actually adjust my armrest if I want it a little bit lower, or just slide it up and make it a little bit higher. And that's why these stretch too. Now, of course, if I don't want to use my footrest, it's easy to take off in a couple of seconds. If you notice this footrest here, it is tapered right here. That allows me to get it more easily. So to remove it, we're just going to take our zipper, pull it off like this. And the rods, they're actually in these little holes right here. It just pops right out. And then you just fold it out of the way. This chair is designed to keep you cool. Anywhere the skin's contacting, you're going to see we've got mesh right through the body here, where you're going to be sitting and leaning back, and then where your arms are right here too. That allows any type of breeze to be up against your skin and allow you to go ahead, and perspiration is not going to soak into your clothes. It's going to go ahead and evaporate because we do have this mesh. When you're ready to store it up, all you do is just grab the edges, and it folds together real small, and then just put everything in your bag. It's got a lot of features. I love that it does have the footrest and the pillow, and I hope you found this review helpful.